And my mission tomorrow gonna be go to the junkyard, find your Kia Soul, and get the missing parts, the plastic covers at the bottom, the trim clips. That's at the door. All right, I'm back with this 2013 Kia Soul. So I'm here, I can't find what I need. All the undercovers are gone, and this one is 2014, so it doesn't have the side panel, the trim on the outside of the door, so the newer models doesn't have it. This is the second 2014 Kia Soul. I found the 2012, 2013 ones that are also missing. I'm gonna keep looking. I'm gonna keep looking around and see, hopefully I can find one that has it. But look at all these cars. Yeah, I'm not gonna fix that. This one is fixable. I don't know why it's here at the junkyard. We got a Range Rover over here, and I just saw a beautiful BMW in the back. All right, I'm gonna keep looking. Hopefully I can find one. This is a 2016 Kia Soul. It looks amazing, actually. The body on this one is good. Oh, it's the sport mode too. However, it's also missing the undercovers. Doesn't have anything. Well, this is look good. Oh man. Alright, there's two more to find. Okay, there's two more Kias, two more Souls need to find. Look at this Jetta. A Jetta. I think that's the GLI. No, it's not GLI. Third Kia. No bottom covers as well. Oh, this is unlucky. Alright, there's another one right behind it. Ouch. Oh man. Nope. This one doesn't have it either. Oh, this is what I need. This is exactly what I need. Let me take this off. Oh, broke it. What about this one? Oh, oops. Well, I came for this. This is actually screwed from the inside, so I have to take the door panel from the inside, and there's a screw from the inside of the car to unscrew this panel, and that's what I need to do to my car. I'm not gonna do that. That's a lot of work, so I'm gonna figure something out later. So I'm gonna use something else. I think I have a double side tape, and that will work for sure. All right, I was unlucky. I couldn't find the bottom covers. I'm gonna head out to the second junkyard and wish me luck. Hopefully I can find something there. I'm back working on the 2013 Kia Soul, and my mission failed. I went to the junkyard. I couldn't find no splash guard plastic covers. I went to second location and I was unlucky. I still couldn't find no splash guard for the Kia Soul. All of them were missing. I went to two different type of you pull it junkyard and couldn't find it at all. Anyway, but I got the clips for the trim. I'm gonna try to fix it, and also I got double-sided tape. That gonna help a lot. Let's fix this issue, and I might need to order the splash guard online. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this clip inside this spot right here in the hole and clip it in. Then I'm gonna get a double-sided tape, just a little piece of it, don't need much, and stick it on the clip. Try to hold it here for a couple of seconds. This plan failed terribly. It's not reaching for the clip because this right here is supposed to be another clip or a screw threads, and a screw that comes from here, from this side, and screws to this trim. But this piece that over here on the trim side is broken. It's not there. That's why it's not holding. And when I try to put the double-sided tape over here, is not sticking to the clip at all. So we failed big time. I failed big time. Completing the Kia did not go well. The trim is not fixed. It's still not fixed because of the clips on the trim itself are broken. So that's it for the Kia for today. So I'm here today for the BMW, the M5. Nothing wrong with it, honestly. It's just been parked here for a couple of weeks now. So what I'm gonna do, just want to make sure, yeah, it's not dead yet. So yeah, it's still not dead, so we're good. Just want to start it. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of this car. I'm just gonna start it and make sure the battery is not going flat. Then I have another car that I need to work on while I'm here. Okay, battery's still good on this car. This BMW got 108,000 miles. So it runs amazing. Twin turbo, 4.4 engine. This is the 550i extra drive. I just love it. I wish if it was a manual and not an automatic. Ooh, this car is super hot. It's supposed to get a cover. It's supposed to get a, I should get a sun cover for this car. This is all leather, so over time it will start cracking, and I don't want that. This is what I'm here for. This car is already listed on Facebook Market and it's ready to go, but I have a problem with the battery. Every time I charge it and I come by again and try to start it, it will not start, and I have to jump start it, and I was tired of this, so I went and got a new battery for it, and it's time to install it. All right, just a small review on this car. This is a 2005 Honda Civic. It's the EX Special Edition, the one with the sunroof, 2 doors, and with this special radio. I mean, it's a special for them back then, 2004. The normal Civics, they don't have radio like this one, and they don't come with a sunroof or coupe with the wing in the back. So why this is why it's a special edition. And the motor is a sporty, it has a sport mode, something like that, and the engine is amazing on this one. I just love the way it drives. It's the VTEC Honda, which I believe is the, I'm not sure if it's the 1 point something. I can't see it anywhere on the engine where it's supposed to say it. Coilovers are new. As you can see, the engine looks amazing. It doesn't have no mechanical problems whatsoever. It's just mostly cosmetics and stuff here and there. It's a 2005, so it has a lot of cosmetics. Paint faded, fender dents here, dent there, dent on the other side. When I bought it, it was a rear damage. That's why you can see the rear bumper is different color. This is the only bumper I found locally. Like, I looked everywhere, even online. I couldn't find a bumper that for the EX Special Edition. They did not have it, so that's why it's a different color. Over here it says the EX at the top, but at the bottom it says Special Edition. But I got this one, it says EX over here, not the Special Edition. But this is the only one that fitted the car and looked exactly like the old bumper. Okay, I ran into another problem here. So, terminals is on this side, and the negative can reach to the negative terminal, but the positive won't reach. Should have got the terminals supposed to be here, here, not on this side. Should be on this side. Even if I switch it, flip it around, it's also not gonna be right. Tires are still good. This is not sitting flush with the hood. Sorry, with the back. So if I push on it, like from the back, I will go down. It will like sit flush. So I think it's either the hinges bented. The inside, it's right here. Beautiful, clean inside in this car. And this is the badges for the car. This is the special edition, and this is the EX. I got them out of the old bumper. And it has the sunroof over here and the special radio. I mean, that's what they had a long time ago in 2005. And the rear, it's beautiful. I'm gonna start it for you, but let me pop the hood really quick. And there's the buttons for the sunroof. This is the engine, VTEC Honda, and it looks amazing. Still, everything looks clean on it. Got the battery connected just for now. I have to take this out. I'm gonna start the car for you. This is the key. And the AC's is ice cold. Works fine. All right. And that's it.